right, keep note, I've already got one in the A zone on the chest, one in the A zone on the head. So we're gonna do 2 to the chest, 1 to the head, and let me double check my dot is visible. Cool. We're gonna go slow, nice and steady, just try to work on form. Ugh. Wasn't too bad. All A's. Okay. Everything we got has been A zone. It's been slow, but everything's A. Everything's A except for that one. I dropped that one, so that's all right. All right. Sorry, this flannel kind of sucks to draw from, but we'll try to speed it up from concealment. Try to get this under, we're gonna do 5 to the chest. We're gonna try to get it under 2 seconds or 3 seconds. I don't know what the fucking standard is. Under 3, that's good for me. I'm gonna say I dropped 1, but other than that, all clean, so cool.